Hi there. Today we will teach you how to generate 720 tours. First, go to My Projects. Click 720 tour. Here you can generate or check already generated 720 tour. Click Generate. Choose needed panoramas. Set a starting point. Generate. Open the newly generated 720 tour. The panorama you set as the starting point appears first. You can go to other rooms by clicking arrows. Or change your location by using the navigator on the top left. Let's look around. That's all for today. See you next time.